Hi there, and welcome once again to Hoosier History, Legends, and Heroes. For some time now, I have been wanting to do something different with my videos. Being that I wasn't raised with computer technology, and no, I'm not going to be telling you how old I am, trying to learn how to use different software can be a challenge. So this video will be different from all my other videos, and hopefully this will be a success. What I'm sharing with you today are 3 short videos of Cataract Falls in Owen County. These were taken on March 19th and were taken from 3 different vantage points. All of the videos are of the upper falls because the lower falls were flooded that day. The next video is taken from the path that leads to the lower falls. This last video was taken next to the platform on the right, closest to the covered bridge. Thank you for watching Hoosier History, Legends, and Heroes. I hope you enjoyed my first attempt using actual video and not just pictures. And I hope you agree with me that you can't go wrong using Cataract Falls as a test subject. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Be sure to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more like this, please be sure to let me know by leaving a comment. Until next time,